our future dey our own hand. Our future dey our hand. Somebody yesterday, he said, "May no remember what did happen yesterday. May remember what he want do. How you want to take charge a man? Not be what he do before. You tell know whether I go do better." They say, "Make una forgive them." Say they agree. Say they sin. Say they steal our money. Say they do bad. Say make forgive them. When I remember for this state, one time PDP come. They say Pikin fail. What did he go do? Now so they tell us. So I just want to remind you now that they come again, they won't play that trick where they play in 2003. Where there's Egor work. So I beg, this governor, my senior brother, Godwin Obaseki, he don't come say, now we youth matter, now input for mind. And that is why I talk say, we want create job. That job, not the civil service job. Oh. He said they bring companies come. If you go bypass now, Chinese people not there yet. They do ties, I mean they know they do ties. Our people they work there, I mean they know they work there. More of these companies they come. When I hear about Gele Abi, by the time the post starts, now Somalians go work there. Who go work there? If you work, me I work. It not go better for us. So these people that they think that can't thing, governor say 1 million votes I don't go bring. That 1 million votes, you know now why we need to deliver them? Because after Buhari don't win, that vote now will carry go Abuja, say, "Mr. President, we promise you 1 million votes. See, we tell you about Gele, you talk say you are proven. Now it's time to do what? Gele. We told you about industrial park. It is time to do. If our president no win, we will fit do all those things. That one are food for thought. Thank you.
They sold NEPA, no light. Who sold Airways? Who sold Nigeria Airways? Everything that the country has, their own is to sell it. They sell it to themselves. Now we want to recover everything because it belongs to all of us. If you go to Sapele Road, where you have government press, we are turning that place to a production center. We are going to provide, wait, don't clap, we are doing it already. 24 hours light. So that any barber who wants a shop will go there and take. Any tailor who wants a shop will go there and take. Any saloon guy who wants a shop will go there and take. So that he will not bother himself or herself over electricity. If we do that there, which we have started, we will come to Egor. We'll do a similar thing. We'll go to Ovia. We'll do a similar thing. We'll go to Orion. We'll go to Ikpoba-okha. We'll go to Ogie. We'll go to Egor. Will people say there's no job? No. We're going to come again. And that one, not be inside room talk. We'll go on the street to know who owns the... Is that not so? Yes, the way we used to do it during Osho Baba time. Osho Baba, maybe he will be with us. Obaseki will be there. Deputy will be there. I will be there. Then Edo people will see their people, telling them who owns the land.
For the next level, vote Buhari Osinbajo. For everyone, we are moving higher, higher, higher. We are moving forward. Papa Dede, oh yo yo. Papa Dede, oh yo yo. Papa Dede, oh yo yo.
They say Nigerians, the way they checked you for 2003 for Edo, they say Nigerians, and not true. Not true. We don't fail. We fail for 16 years. Not true. But no one forgive us. That's what they talk about.
Oh, to the killer.
Now remember, as we completed 2003, what did they call use our eyes for 2007? And 2003 to 2007. We go agree say believe them again, say, true, they apologize?
No!
We will believe them?
No! Then before
we will believe them?
No!
Obasanjo come be their chairman. Then they say, Buhari no will come back. If thief, they say, better person no will come back. We not thief.
No!
We were better people, no vote for the better person.
Yes,
they don't say our movie don't take 2003 now we don't do. Mokuna just vote Buhari as we have voted for him before. This time we governor don't promise 1 million votes. 1 million votes. Now I know why that 1 million votes we need to catch up. Because president don't promise us many things. We know how many things scatter. Grace of God with Una and all of us ready here and others where we will bring for election day. We will take Edo and Nigeria to the next level. Thank you very much. APC, now we are
stop the music.
Oredo. This is the whole local government of the government. You know what that means?
Yes.
You know what that means?
Yes, sir.
Come on here. There are two candidates. One is a thief.
Who told us he's a thief? Is it not his
Soga?
Soga wrote a book about him, telling all of us that this man is a thief.
Yes.
How can you now come around to tell us that we should vote for a thief?
Go for B party! Go for B!
I'm saying that you and I know. As here, one more. Two weeks ago, APC.
What I just want to do now to ask question, and I want to check whether I remember what didn't happen before and what did happen now. So I just want to check. Not say somebody talks say we human beings with the sabi forget things quick. But I tell them say no they forget. They always remember when time reach to remember. So I want to check on now whether that person correct or Nami correct. PDP, now then the governor, now then the government 1999 to 2003, two of us. For our own state here, when they look for second term for 2003, I want to check whether I still remember. They come out publicly. They say, we agree, say we fail. Yes. True of us. True. Now, these same people, they say they agree, say for 16 years they fail. As they agree for 2003 for Edo, they say they agree, say they fail. They say no Nigeria forgive them. When I remember say they do it for Abuja, that Mr. Second. Their chairman will be number second in the only state. And like he will take second for this election again. If other party allow, because if Mama Bonham, he can't give us second use. Our own, if Mama Bonham, we can't give her Adams. Their own chairman, na second use. Our own chairman, Adams. Who be the first man we got played?
When I was in the other party, I used to watch his activities closely. But little did I know he's a man of many parts. If I block A, it will come out in B. If I block B, it will come out in C. Give a round of applause to our president, the secretary of the state, Barrister Osarodion, Ogie.
We are all party members here. And there's no preaching I'm going to preach today. You're already born again. You're already APC. Abi? But I need to give you a message which we will take out to those people who are still sitting on the fence. The message is clear. We have two candidates. One is a thief, one is not a thief. Yes, they should decide who to vote for. Yes, if you want a thief to be your president, okay. But those of us who don't want a thief to be our president, we know who will vote for. Yes. What was a thief? Who told us he was a thief? Is it not his Oga? Yes. That is Oga today, is his campaign coordinator. So the message is simple. Don't let them deceive our people. We know the light. We can never go back to darkness. It's for us to now drag more people from darkness to come to the truth. Thank you very much. Anybody deceive you? They were in that office before. Were they not there before? Yes. You cannot even go 15 meters to their homes. Is that also? Yes, sir. So what is the matter? This morning, somebody came to me. Owepa, I'm a crane operator. I don't have a job. I said, Abba, in this state, an Edo youth, a crane operator. There are more than 20 building sites in Benin. Is it not true? Yes, sir. There are construction jobs going on. Come to me. If you want job from any of those sites and you are skilled, you will be employed that same day. It's to create opportunities for you. Government cannot employ everybody, but government can create opportunity for everybody. And that is why APC is being praised by everybody. He's creating opportunities for people to be engaged. Listen, you know the government press on Sample Road? You know the place where you have magistrate court? Okay. We are turning it into a production center. There will be, no, please wait. Before the end of this month, there will be lights there, 24 hours. What it means is this. If you are a barber, you can go there and take a space. If you are a tailor, you can go there and hire a place. Anything, any work you are doing, one thing you are sure of, 24 hours electricity.